Welcome to our video tutorial on using free Lisp routines for utility functions in AutoCAD. Today, we'll explore 7 powerful Lisp routines related to blocks that can make drafting your engineering drawings much easier. Before we dive into the routines, make sure to visit our free Lisp page on our website to download these Lisp files. Simply register and log in to get access. Once downloaded, place the .fas or .des files in any folder of your choice. To load these programs, use the Upload command in AutoCAD. Let's start with the first routine. Insert block at segment midpoint. The Mid Block Lisp command allows you to insert a specific AutoCAD block at the midpoint of all segments of the selected polyline. Load the program using the Upload command. Type MIDB at the command prompt. Select the polylines on which you want to mark blocks. Enter the block name. The program will insert the block at the midpoint of all segments of the polyline. Text from selected attribute. Convert attribute text to plain text using the Attribute to Text command. Load the program using the Upload command. Type attribute to text at the command prompt. Select the attribute blocks for which you want to convert attribute values to text. The program will create text representing the information of the attribute value as new text in a separate layer. Insert block on polyline. Insert blocks at the intersection, endpoint, or both on selected polylines using the IBEI command. Type IBEI at the command prompt. Choose among intersections, endpoints, or both. Select the lines where blocks need to be inserted. Enter the block name to be inserted. Insert block at vertex point. Insert blocks at each vertex of the selected polyline using the InBLV command. Load the program using the Upload command. Type InBLV at the command prompt. Select the polylines for which you want to insert blocks at each vertex. The program will insert the specified block at all vertex points. Elevate block. Elevate blocks using the nearest elevation text with the ELBLK command. Load the program using the Upload command. Type ELBLK at the command prompt. Select the blocks you want to elevate. If any elevation text is found near the block in the ELEV layer, that value is considered the Z value of the block and will be updated. Use the list command to check the updated Z value of the block. Insert block on text. Insert blocks at the insertion point of the selected text using the INSB command. Load the program using the Upload command. Type INSB at the command prompt. The Lisp will find the insertion point of each selected text and will insert a specified block at that point. Rotate multiple blocks. Rotate multiple blocks based on a specified angle using a simple selection process. Load the program using the Upload command. Type RB at the command prompt. Select the blocks you want to rotate. Choose two reference points to define the rotation angle. The program will rotate the selected blocks accordingly. We hope you find these Lisp routines helpful for your projects. Don't forget to download these free Lisp files from our website. We also customize Lisp routines as per your requirements. Send a sample drawing to info@esurveying.net if you need a custom Lisp. Thanks for watching and happy drafting. Contact eSurveying Softtech if you want to see a free demonstration of our Road Infra Suite or Water Infra Suite. Visit our website for more tutorials and free resources.